When I first found out that I would do my EVS in Slovenia, of course I wanted to know where I would be going to. Let's check Google. Oh, but wait, where am I going to? But as it turns out, I didn't have to worry that much after all. Krško is quite a beautiful town. We have a beautiful city center, amazing parks, and some benches. At least I think they are benches. As I was visiting the city, I started wondering after some hours, where are the people? Where are the people? Are they here? Maybe here? Oh, there's some people. But you know, it's no problem. I think that this is gonna be a really fun experience anyway. So that's why I followed all the signs to the most popular places in Krško to find some friends.
Let's see whether we'll find any people in the shopping center, the center of life of Krško.
Look, there's a person over there. But then I discovered why I didn't find any people. It's because they're all in their cars and super sociable. Since there are no people in Krško, it's a super safe place to live. In fact, it's so safe that doors don't even work, because you don't need to close them. But who needs doors anyways, if you have other cool security measurements? Fantastico! We're done! But no matter how safe Krško is,
Oh my god!
you're never safe from the enemy inside of your house.
What are we going to do with her?
I don't know.
After a long night of battling against the spiders, I decided to take a break from Krško.
If I want to go somewhere, I just need to go to the station, which is 5 minutes in that direction. In theory, but Krško only has one bridge, so let's go.
Finally, we're at the train station. Now we just need to cross over the rail tracks. Maybe we should try to imitate some locals. I bet if they're doing it, it can't be that dangerous.
But now, where do I buy the ticket? Perfect! It's closed as always.
Yep, guess who's not going on the trip today? After seeing literally everything Krško has to offer, I can definitely say, I hate Krško.